safety flag. No long sleeve, no glove, and it's like my long hair has to be secure before using the milling. The milling machine, we have to familiar with the machine before operating it. When in doubt, always ask supervisor. Never use the milling when tired or rushed for time. Only attempt work when you have been approved to do and comfortable doing it. Never reach over or near around the rotating cutter. Stop the machine every time the cutter is not cutting, not being used, or you be changing tools or parts. Only remove the chip using gentle air blast or chip brushes. Be aware of cutting tool. Use a chip shield to keep chip from hitting you and others in the area. Keep all rag and tools away from the machine and off the machine cables during use. Away from running machine. Turn them off every time. Do not be distracted or talk to others when operating the machine. Report all broken tools, cutters, and multi-functioning equipment to a supervisor. Keep your work area clean, including the floor, free of chips and any oil. Students are not allowed to teach other students in the use of milling machine. Leave the entire machine cleaner than when you found it. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce you to the basic parts of the machine. And this is the milling machine. First, this is on and off switch, which we can use to turn the spindle on or off. This is the switch where we can use to change the direction of the spindle rotation. For this machine, there are 3 axes involved. X, this is for x-axis where we can move the table to left and right. At the front, this is a y-axis handle where we can use to move the table to the front and to the back. And the last one is for z-axis where we can use it to move the table to up and down. We call it as vice, where we can use to clamp the workpiece. For the speed, there are 2 options, high and low. And this is to change the RPM of the speed. As a power draw bar, where we can use to insert and remove the collet or cutter from the machine spindle. And this is, we call it as brake, where we can manually stop the spindle rotation. This is what we call it as cutting tool holders. These holders is used to hold the cutting tools. Usually we put the cutting tools inside the holders, then we attach the holders to the spindle. There are many types of the cutting tool holders, and this is one example of the cutting tools. Before we start the process, we must be able to know what type of the cutting tools and the holders that we need to use. The tips is to match the diameter of the tools with the size of the holders.